So, what's been happening, guys? This week has been the most volatile for the American stock markets in the last few years, certainly, if not the last few decades. And now, and the dollar as well. I don't know if you saw that today. The dollar's on the slide again. And you had the tariffs stuff earlier in the week, which obviously wreaked havoc on a whole load of corporations. Their value was slashed. Some of Trump's biggest donors, they were forced to reckon with the reality that maybe, guys, in hindsight, in retrospect, now that I've had time to think about it, maybe giving the Covfefe convict free reign of the Treasury might have had some downsides. I don't know. I'm just spitballing. In hindsight, maybe that wasn't too smart. You know, like, thanks for paying for my inauguration party, Zuck. Thanks very much. Thanks for inexplicably paying Melania Trump $28 million for an Amazon documentary that nobody will be watching, Jeffrey Bezos. That's not a bribe at all, is it? Thanks very much, Zuck. Thanks very much, Jeff. Do you want to see the prize that you won? Yeah? Okay. I want to see what hundreds of millions of dollars in donations will get you? Well, the Meta share price this week, guys, went from a peak of nearly $750 a share back in February down to $500. So that's like a drop of nearly, is that like a third in value? 2, 4, 6 would be. So if it was, yeah, I don't know. I'm not good enough at maths to work that out. 750 down to 500. Like, that's a bit of a fucking drop. And Amazon went down from $242 a share down to $170 this week. So also not insignificant. These people are becoming significantly less wealthy off the back of Donald Trump's policies. That's Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos. Do we need to mention Elon? And Tesla? The share price for Tesla. I think the only one doing well out of Donald Trump's leadership and fiscal decision-making, the only people who are making money out of that seem to be Republican senators and congressmen who appear to have been insider trading on the back of the 90-day pause announcement. That's the only people who have financially benefited from this recent raft of Trumpian policies. Like I was thinking earlier, guys. I was thinking earlier that maybe that's not even coming from a place of greed. You know, like maybe it's actually coming from a place of marketing and survival. Like they know that they inherited a strong economy from Joe Biden. They know that the growth was there at that point. They know that eggs were cheaper. They know that things were stable. But since Trump came in and started acting fucking batshit, he's gone legitimately crazy. Talking about invading places. And, the company that he keeps, the Tesla share price, has collapsed. He's installed crooks into positions of power. Like, we all know the myriad of stuff that he's done, right? Well, if you go back to this, insider trading business, like maybe this was all actually a sort of marketing campaign. Like now they can say, like, what are you talking about? Like, America's failing. Look at Marjorie Taylor Greene. She's literally swimming in money. She's made so much money on the stock market the other day. The stock market is exploding. Look at her. It's like a very visual thing that they can go to market with and go, no, look, we're making loads of money, guys. I don't know what you're talking about. Because I don't know if you saw, guys, But Marjorie Taylor Greene, she's literally never bought stocks before, by all accounts. Doesn't really have much interest in the stock market, investment, whatever. Never bought a share before. And the other day, about half an hour before the announcement that the tariffs were going to be relaxed, she just decided to. It's just a wild coincidence that she just decided to, right then and there, as they were tanking off the back of the tariffs, she bought into companies that were specifically hardly hit by Trump's tariffs. So she bought low, then he relaxes the tariffs, the stock soar, she's making a fucking killing. Like, it looks so bad. It looks so crooked. Never bought shares before.